As a streamer, you should always be looking for ways to make your stream more engaging for your audience. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight individual messages from your chat and show them directly on your stream so your audience really feels a part of your broadcast. You can use this feature to host a Q&A segment, share on stream when someone redeems a highlighted chat, or just feature specific messages from your community to all discuss together. And the best part is, this is free and completely customizable, so you can use your own brand colors and designs to really match your stream's aesthetic. Trust me, your audience is going to love this. Before jumping in, I'd like to give a quick thank you to this video sponsor, Epidemic Sound. If you're looking for the highest quality, royalty-free music that you can use in your YouTube videos, Twitch streams, TikToks, and podcasts, look no further than Epidemic Sound. I've been using them personally for the music in every single one of my YouTube videos for the past 4 years, and I absolutely love how much choice there is in the massive 35,000 track library. To help you find the right track, you can browse by genre, mood, or even find similar tracks to ones you've used in the past. And when you find a track you love, you can even download the individual stems to structure the song exactly as you wish. I do this all the time for when I want an instrumental version of a track without any vocals. So go ahead and click the link at the top of the description and you'll get to use the Epidemic Sound library for 30 days for free. So the tool that we're going to be using today is called Featured.chat. It's incredibly simple to set up and it's going to allow you, or optionally even your mods, to select specific messages from chat to then show on stream. This doesn't require any plugins or extensions either. This is simply just a website where we customize our options and then a browser source that we'll add to our streaming software, which will actually show the messages on your stream. So to get set up, simply visit Featured.chat in your web browser of choice, log in with your Twitch account and authorize the app. Click to enable Featured Chat on your channel and you should see a whole bunch of settings now available. Now, as tempting as it might be to dive into all of the settings and customize things right away, let's first get the basic feature working by adding a browser source into our streaming software. So come up here to the My Browser Source section and copy the URL called main. Next, open up your streaming software, for me that's OBS Studio, and add a browser source in whichever scene you want. Name the source something memorable and then paste in the URL you just copied. Set the dimensions to match your canvas resolution and then select to control the audio via OBS and you can press OK. So now that's set up, let's test a Twitch chat message to see if it displays. Open up your Twitch chat, or if you already have it docked somewhere in OBS, even easier, type out a test message of more than one word and then head back to the Featured.chat website. Click on My Dashboard over here on the left, and this will open up your chat log as well as a queue of messages you can display on stream. You should see your test message over here on the right. By clicking on it or by clicking this little purple plus button, we can then add it into our queue. The queue is especially useful if you have a busy chat that is moving really quickly, as it allows you to preview any messages before you actually show them on your stream. You can also drag, drop, and reorder chat messages here in the queue to better prioritize questions or messages. Hovering your mouse over a message in your queue will show you a preview of what that will look like on your stream, but to actually display it on your stream, you need to click this button here. If we head back into our streaming software, we should hopefully see our test message now showing on screen. So now we've got the basic functionality working, let's get to customizing. Head back to the Featured Chat website and go to the My Settings page. Here you can choose from multiple different themes, color schemes, you can enable and disable user badges and profile images. If the selection of themes and color options here aren't enough to match your stream design, you can really dive under the hood if you wish to by writing in some custom HTML and CSS. Over on the right hand side, you can change some options to control how the messages are actually shown in the browser source. So the position, the transition type as it shows or hides a message, and the duration that a message stays on screen. Below that, you can choose to enable audio to play every single time a message is shown on screen. There's a few different sound options here to choose from, but unfortunately, right now there's no way to choose a custom sound, which I'd love to see in the future. With any changes you've made to the design or sound, you can head back to your dashboard, hide, and then re-show your test message to see the updated styles in your streaming software. One cool way that you could use Featured Chat in your stream is to allow people to highlight messages that will then be shown on stream. You can set Featured Chat up to automatically add any Twitch messages to the queue where the chatter has redeemed the Highlight My Message channel points reward. To set this up, all you need to do is enable the option in Featured Chat, automatically put highlighted messages into the on deck queue, and then enable and customize the cost of the Highlight My Message reward from your Twitch channel point dashboard. Then next time someone redeems that reward using their channel points on Twitch, their message will automatically show up in your queue for you to then show on stream. Another way you could use this is to have a Q&A section of your live stream. To do this, you could prompt your audience to submit questions by typing in a prefix before their question, something like !Q. Then in Featured Chat, you can head over to the AMA and Q&A tab of your dashboard, click the settings cog, and then enter in your prefix. Then you can start filtering by clicking this play icon, and any chat messages that now begin with that prefix that you've told your chat about will be shown here, allowing you to easily just see the questions being asked, which is especially useful if you have a busy chat. As you answer each question, you can show the question on stream and then hide it once you're finished and move to the next item in your queue. To make managing Featured Chat a little bit easier so you don't have to keep going back to the website, they even have a dockable page that you can add into OBS. Head back to the My Settings page and under Other, enable the option Broadcaster Skip Queue. This will just allow you to select messages directly from your chat to go straight onto showing on screen without having to go to the queue. Next, copy the OBS doc URL and go back to OBS Studio. Head up to View, Docs, Custom Browser Docs. In here we want to add a new window to dock in our OBS Studio. We'll call it Featured Chat and then paste in the URL here and click Apply. A new window should pop up in OBS that you can drag and position and dock wherever you want in OBS Studio. Now, when we see a message in chat that we want to highlight, we can use our Featured Chat dock to push the message through automatically to show in our browser source. If you run a particularly popular stream, it can be helpful to add moderators to help you select the questions from chat or the messages on chat that you would like to show on stream. There's a single button press if you want to add all of your Twitch moderators as administrators on Featured Chat, or you can add specific accounts by typing in the usernames here.
Nice.
These users can then log into Featured Chat using their Twitch account and will be able to help you by choosing chat messages from your Twitch chat to push to your queue. And you can, of course, easily remove administrators here.
What the f?
I really hope that the Featured Chat developers keep working on it because I think it's an awesome platform. I'd love to see them release a YouTube version so it also works for YouTube streamers as well as Twitch streamers. Personally, I do my podcast every single week on YouTube and I'd love to be able to feature messages from the live chat as we go along. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have, do give it a big old thumbs up and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.